Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor X12 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on date and time. And right here we've got some options which are currently inactive. So first of all we have to tap on set time automatically and tap on off and turn off this switcher. Also this one to not use the location to set the time zone. So now simply tap on date and just by swiping change it, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just by swiping and confirm it. Here the time zone, tap on select time zone, tap on the region, and here we can choose something from the available regions. Just find yours and then tap on it. It will be immediately set. Let's go back. Here the time format, you can either use the 24-hour one or 12-hour format, totally up to you. And we cannot change the date format, so only the time format. So to get back to all previous options, so the automatic options, I highly recommend to simply tap on those switchers here and tap on set time, use network provided time. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.